Welcome. If you're looking to give more control to your trusted team members on Telegram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to allow other admins to add new admins in your Telegram group using the latest update on the PC app. This feature is perfect for growing groups and delegating responsibilities smoothly. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, from your chat list, find and open the group where you're already an admin. Only admins can manage these settings, so double-check your role before proceeding. At the top right corner of your group chat window, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. From here, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group management settings, where you can control everything from permissions to group info. Now, look for the Administrators section and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all current admins in your group. Find the admin you want to give the ability to add new admins and click on their name to open their admin settings. Inside the admin settings, you'll see a list of permissions you can toggle on or off. Look for the option labeled Add New Admins. Enable this permission by clicking the switch next to it. This gives the selected admin the power to add other admins to your group, making it easier to share management duties as your group grows. Once you've enabled the permission, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. The admin you selected can now help you manage the group by adding new admins whenever needed. With just a few clicks, you've made group management more flexible and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with your group members or anyone looking to streamline their Telegram experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with ease.